Hey, what's up guys? Today's topic is the massage gun attachment. So which is the best massage gun attachments? So what attachments should one use? Okay, now let's get started. So this is all of the massage guns in the market with different brand and a different design. So we're gonna try the massage gun attachments with those all the massage guns. So now let's get started the attachments. Normally all the massage gun they come with 4 attachments: ball heads, fork, flat, and bullets. Okay, this is most massage gun they are used. Let me give an example how to use the massage gun attachments. The ball heads for the big muscle areas, the leg, and bullets is good, you know, for like a pinpoint for some small areas you want to go into deeper. And flat, also almost the same like the ball heads, can be go the big muscle areas. And fork is for mine is for the span, you know, the main function is for the span. Also some people they are using for the leg and for hand. Some of massage guns they also come in with a silicone rubber massage gun attachments, has a little flexible. So this is a flexible, also can be for a lot of muscle groups. So one more massage gun attachments is built with aluminum. It's a flat aluminum massage gun attachments coming from Recoverfun. It also is for the big muscle recoveries. The benefits of the aluminum flat heads is glossy, easy clean, and smooth when you massage. One more feature is the warm, the heat massage. After you use about few minutes, it comes the warm to your bodies. It feels like the heat massage. One more thing, I'm gonna surprise you guys. This is new attachments from Recoverfun. What's the name? Recoverfun Flex. Okay, let's open that. Oh, this is the design. It's looks amazing, right? Flexible and soft, and feels very smooth. I think also it's easy clean. That's 2 very important, great features for this Recoverfun Flex soft attachments. Not just the smooth. Once it touches the bones, I don't feel the pains. That means it's safe. Number 2 is the flex. So once you make the percussion massage, you feel 1 or 2 millimeters more struggling. For example, most of the massage guns in the market right now, they are built with 10 millimeter strugglings. Once you use this attachment, you feel more deeper. So it means it gives you more strugglings. Now, well, let's test the Recoverfun Flex soft attachments for all the massage guns. So first, this is the the copy hypervolt cloth. Let's see, it fits very well. And now we test with the last one. the best seller on the Amazon, M3 Pro. It feels very well. Let's test with the Recovapro. Also fit very well. And test with the Recoverfun. Of course, also fit very well. And this flow fits very well. And also the Phoenix, very well. Also is very good. And this also is copied the hypervolt design, fit very well. And this one also, it fits very well. And this one also fit very well. And also this sold on Amazon, also fit very well. Also the Acheday fits very well. Now let's test the features, the real massage experience, percussion massage experience. Try the Recoverfun first. Let's go the force speed. It feels, because it's flexible, you know, so you feel more amplitude. Wow. With this massage gun attachments, I feel amazing. You know, this is, this is very good. Oh my God, this is really good for the muscle recovery. Feels more structurance, amplitude, more deeper. Let's try the M3 Pro. Yeah, feels more deeper now also. Oh, this is a top speed lever. Let's try the Recovapro. Force speed lever. Yeah, I feel very good. Let's try the Phoenix. Phoenix. Yeah. It's good. What I want to say is the Recoverfun Flex soft attachments. It fits most massage gun in the market. Only few of them not fit with this because they're the hose. This hose it's smaller than the normal standard hose, but it fits 90% of the massage guns. With this Recoverfun Flex soft attachments, feels more comfortable when you make the percussion massage, and feels safe and real safe. Sometimes when touch the bones. The great feature is it flex and easy clean. The flex provides you more amplitude and structurance, so you feel some more deeper massage. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. I'll see you guys in next video.